Hi everyone! Today is going to be interesting. David, are you ready? We need to leave soon.
I'm ready. Where are the kids?
My race car is winning again!
It always wins. You make the rules.
That is the best part!
Kids, Mom and Dad need to go out.
Just us? No parents?
We will be back soon. Please be responsible.
I am always responsible. Really? Since when?
Please keep the house clean.
No problem. Everything will be perfect.
I think I heard that before.
We are free! No parents. No rules!
That sounds dangerous.
I have a great idea! We are building a giant fort! We? I didn't agree. You are my helper now. I don't remember applying for that job. We need more stuff! I can barely see the floor. This is the best day ever! It is also the messiest day ever.
We can clean later.
Later is your favorite word.
Where is my robot? It is somewhere in your kingdom.
I need him for my mission. This is strange. Whoa! This floor is dangerous.
The floor didn't do that.
Now I can't find my TV remote.
Maybe they are scared of this mess. I can't play anymore. When everything is messy, everything gets harder.
Maybe I made too much mess. I think your room is playing with you now. Huh? Is that Mom and Dad?
Oh no! The house! I don't know. Maybe.
Oh no! This is a disaster!
I need to clean. Right now!
Stay in the box!
Now you want to clean?
There is no time!
That is not cleaning.
No! Come back!
They are here. I can't even find my robot. Will you help me? Of course. We are a team.
There you are! I missed you.
He missed the clean floor, too. looks so much better. And now we can actually enjoy it.
Wow. The house looks wonderful.
Did you two clean everything?
Yes, we cleaned the whole room.
Thank you. That was very responsible.
I didn't want to clean at first.
What changed your mind?
The mess made everything hard. It even hit his robot.
A clean home feels peaceful.
I think I like cleaning now. Let's not get too excited. Okay. I like having a clean room. Good habits help everyone, even when nobody is watching. Being responsible means doing the right thing, even when you're alone.